2 days, 3 days, we keep go.
Melissa, why you cry? Why you cry, Melly?
My son, when me left him. One people and he's supposed to go to school kind of on probation. With me, with his father coaching me on probation. And me no should have out here and he not go to school.
So who you left him with?
Me left him with a lady.
So if you went done then now you would have go to school?
Yeah.
So you come up to see if you can get some money.
Yeah, if you work on the house.
The people didn't say them I go help you with the house. 2 persons reach out to me already. Guys, Melissa needs some help, guys. She get notice and something, and like really the landlord a pressure and him something that she don't know if live, guys. And she need help with her son. She have a son where she responds for. She have 2 kids but she responds for 1. And guys, oh God, she really needs some help. A while ago, we never meant to do the video here, guys. But, you know, me and our company road this morning, I come pick up something. And me I talk to my friend and he's like, me come put on something in the car and me look Melissa cry. Me I say, Melissa, I cry, Melissa. Because she's not a person for cry, guys. It's a girl that ever just put out the best. That is it.
School.
No, you feel, girl. Melissa, you have to just take it easy. You have to just take it easy and be strong for your son.
Yeah, I go fever even though my kid go to school back till January. I'm supposed to do that. Because my father that court and the probation never check me.
Guys, you're rough. She need a place so she can keep her child. She needs some help to probably set up a local business. Come off her street. Set up a local stall somewhere where she can make some local money. She needs some help, guys. If I raise some chicken or, you know, do local something for her where she can turn a local money to help her son.
We can do here too.
So at the end of the day, if you get some help, you can get a ear salon and rent a chair. You rent a chair.
Yeah.
And do it here.
Yeah.
Alright, me I see if we can get some help.
I look on the board and I think about, you know, board in there and then give me some zinc in there.
Me tell us a board house there than the concrete house and that me tell you, man. Dear brother, it well dear.
Yeah, but concrete me did a build, but you got some board can go round it.
But guys,
me I say what money me some money buy some zinc.
So she come up already with just finish board the road.
Yeah. Just board round it and zinc here. So you know apply it to you and apply. But me wouldn't you know no easy apply because me can take time. But also all board pan for time being. Me have a big chopper thing could have grown the greatest thing say. Me do it better but me not wait. Because for the zinc off for the side and nobody not chug me now.
Tapaling, you're not going to live in a tapaling, brother. Guys, we need some help for Melissa. We need some help for Melissa, guys. We need some help for Melissa. Because, guys, this is not safe at all. This is not safe. Melissa, I tell you, you see, sometimes we can help people. We can help one another. Guys, me need help, you know. Me say, guys, me need help too. Me need help. Sometimes my people can't go to school too. But at the end of the day, when you can help a person in any way you can help them, you can help them. You understand? And sometimes people say, me can't even help myself and me help people. But it is life, and this is life. We have to help one another. We can't just live for ourselves. You understand what I say? In a real life. But we'll get some help.
I me alone. I can't follow God Friday and I get notice Sunday.